In the last episode, we had the stolen Audi R8 in for a customer who fortunately managed to get his car back. However, that was the start of his problems, as he got it back completely stripped and as a non-runner, with at least 3 other garages who were unable to get it back running again. He came to us, and after many hours of diagnosing and going back and forth, we finally got the car started.
Yo! It's started, man!
We then took it for a test drive.
For some reason, the engine bay is smoking quite a bit.
Smoke started coming out the rear of the car, where the engine is. So we had to pull the car straight back.
Whoa, that's not looking good, man.
Today, we take a closer look at what's happened and hopefully can close it off.
Right, Monday morning, and we are back on the Audi R8 V10. Last Friday, the engine was smoking quite a bit from this area. So we just had a further look into it, and it seemed like the oil pressure sensor is leaking oil. So there's a washer that goes in between that, and it seems to be leaking. So we've just ordered one of those. However, I've noticed at least 2 liters of oil has leaked down in the area. Therefore, I've advised the customer to get an oil change done. We'll get that carried out now, fit the washer, and then we'll hit the road for another test drive. We've got a few more things to box off, like the wipers, and the steering needs to be adjusted as well. Let's do that and finish this car off. So usually, when you change the oil on a normal car, you got 1 drain plug. This Audi R8 V10 has 8 drain holes in total. I'm going to show you guys exactly where they are. So let's start off with the main oil lines right here. We've got 1 right there, 1 up there. That makes 2. This here is a timing chain cover. That's a 3rd drain hole. 2 more on the oil pump. So you got 1 here and 1 on the side right there. And then you got 2 on the crankcase. So this one over here, and you got 1 over here as well. This is one of the main locations to measure oil pressure. There's 1 above as well where the oil pressure sensor is. But if you want to measure it from the bottom, this is exactly where you start. And we've got the last one right over here, which is on the oil cooler itself. That makes 8 locations in total. Let's get started. Let's go hit the road and finalize this car off. Right, back on road. We are back on the road with the Audi R8. Yeah, this car needs so much more work done to it, man. You can hear the suspension, and I think it's the drop links and anti-roll bar linkages making a lot of noise. I'm not sure why, because if they've stolen the car, you can only assume they've removed it and put it back on. We have checked it, tightened it, but it's making a lot of noise. I'm not very happy with the noises. But it drives like how it should. Apologies for the seatbelt noises. This car's got no seatbelts. Nothing I can do about that. It's still got an airbag light, it's got an engine light, but the engine light is for this part over here. It's got a sensor that needs to be plugged in. That we're going to put on. I just want to come onto the road and just ensure that the car drives as it should, and just see what else needs to be addressed before we move on. I've noticed these Audi R8, the suspensions are really soft and like feel like a bolt, and again it's on comfort mode. I'm pretty sure Dynamic will sort that out, but compared to the Huracan Performante that I drive every day, rock solid. And of course it would be. It's a proper performance, track-oriented car. Sounds crazy. Oh man, V10 sound too good, man. In terms of tuning platform, you got the AMGs, the RSs, and then you got the GTR as well. V10 for me has to be the absolute best, most favorite. It's got twin clutch gearbox, 10 cylinders, 5.2 liters to play with. And when you have twin turbos to it, it just really opens up. So I can't wait to twin turbo my Performante and my Audi R8. Cannot wait. But yeah guys, this car is pretty much boxed up. Other than this stuff, roof liner, suspension work, Customer's advised that he's happy enough for me to get the car started up and box up the trims, which we have done now, and he'll be happy to take the car back and bring it back at a later date. As you can imagine, this wasn't the cheapest of jobs with the amount of hours that went behind it. Nuts. Who's that behind me? Looks like we got company, boys. Have a look.
And just look who it is. If it isn't my very own project car, the Audi R8 V10 Spider, long forgotten. Who remembers this car from a few months back? Well, what can I say? Here it is, fully up and running now. I haven't been active on YouTube much, but that doesn't mean I haven't been working. We've been working very hard in the background, ensuring all the project cars get complete. Just look at how stunning they both look in them colours. I can't wait to update you guys on my Audi R8 project in the next few videos. And do I need to even add, we are adding twin turbos to this beast. That's right guys, stay tuned. It's all coming, it's going to be a lot of fun. Twin turbo Huracan Performante and twin turbo Audi R8 V10 Spider by none other than Boost Performance.
So I'm gonna call the customer now and give him the good news. Looking forward to seeing what he says, because he wasn't very hopeful of getting the car fixed.
Hello?
Hello, is that Mike?
Yeah.
It's Nams from Boost Performance.
Oh, how you doing, mate? You alright?
Yeah, I'm not bad, thanks. I'm not bad. How you doing? Everything good?
Yeah, not too bad, mate. What's the bad news? Go on, spill it to me.
The bad news is I've got your car started up again.
What? No way!
Yeah, 100%.
You being for real?
100%, man, 100%.
Oh,
Up
man,
and running.
That's probably the best news I've heard all day.
Yeah, man, yeah. It's been a mad one. We've been back and forth. It's been crazy, I'm telling you. We spent way more time than we assumed we were going to do, but here it is, man. The car's up and running. I'm just happy to let you know that it's running now, man. That's the best thing I can say right now.
You don't know right now. I'm absolutely shocked. I can't believe it, mate. I thought this car would never get started again. Oh my days. I feel like coming down right now. Can I come down now and check it out?
Come down, 100%. Come down, man. Come down. The car's running. Obviously, it's not boxed up yet. It's still got a lot on all the trim and stuff to go back on.
Smashing,
but
mate.
you know,
You Boost Performance, mate. You lot are smashing.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. I tried 5 different garages. Everyone kept rejecting me. You guys are the only one who could do it.
Yeah, man. That's what we're about. We like a challenge. We've done it, yeah.
I'm shocked. I can't believe this, mate. This is the best news I've heard all day.
No worries, man. I'll catch you soon, though, yeah? If you come through, I'll speak to you when you come down, yeah?
Yeah, no worries, man. I'm just at work. So
Yeah, no worries. The car's here anyway, so we'll
2,000 years later.
see you tomorrow, yeah?
cheers, man. Thank you so much, man. Honestly, thank you.
No worries, yeah? Take care. Bye-bye. There you go, guys. Customer's happy. Very happy, actually. And I'm happy to give him the good news. That's it then, guys. I think that's the Audi R8 V10 boxed up. This is a mad one because even though it's a customer's car, I personally took this on as a challenge. I'm pretty sure 90% of the shops who saw this car rejected it straight away. I know for sure dealers wouldn't touch this car. It's just too stripped out and too much of a mess to work with. I like challenges in life and I took it on and we got it up and running. Very pleased with that. Hard work always pays off, guys. Remember that. If you've got a V10, V8, V6, V12, you name it, we cover all engine, mechanical, electrical. If you want to get your car sorted out without sitting in another garage for a few months, you know where to call. Give us a call, give us a DM. We'll get the job done. This is Nams from Boost Performance. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video, drop me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys soon.